Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's another Fresh Face Fridays. So this is kind of like my day to do all of my skincare, really take care of myself, try out new skincare products, everything from moisturizers to scrubs, to lip kits, to all different sorts of things that have to do with my skincare. So for me, I have oily combination skin, so that means that I really need to stay on top of my skincare, as well as just trying out new products that could be really good for my skin. So that being said, this is kind of like my time to kick off my weekend with some little R&R, a little rest and relaxation, and just kind of like try out new products, see what I like, see what I don't like, kind of see what's out now, what could work for me, what couldn't work for me, and kind of just give you guys my thoughts, kind of like a review slash first impressions of these new products that I'm trying out. So if you guys want to see more of these episodes that I'm doing on Fridays, make sure you guys subscribe. I did one last week, as well as I have a whole bunch of other playlists and videos about skincare, me trying out different products, me doing before and afters and all that kind of stuff, especially if you like really good quality and sometimes, you know, more higher end skincare stuff, as well as I have a lot of like DIY type of videos too on making your own skincare. But today I'm actually reviewing the Yes to Coconut, or the Yes To. If you guys have ever seen this line, I think they actually have these at Target as well as a few other stores. But I'm actually reviewing the Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore 2-Step Lip Kit. So this has a scrub and then a plumping lip mask. So I don't know what it is, but lately, like, my lips have been so dry. I live in LA. We have the Santa Ana winds going. It's just been super dry and desert-like outside. I don't know, I've been going through like tubes and tubes of chapstick and lip product and just all sorts of stuff. So I'm gonna jump into trying this out and then I'll kind of give you guys the specs on it. So the first step is actually Yes To Ultra Hydrating Exfoliating Scrub. So these, I think these, yep, they separate. Okay, that's good. Little perforated line here. All right, so you're gonna have kind of like a little double pouch thing here, which is good because, I mean, if you think about it, if this tears or gets frayed or anything in your cabinets while you're storing it, this scrub could end up all over the place. So it's good that they kind of have it in like a 2-part like little packet, just for that. Massage before opening. Okay, so we're supposed to massage this. It feels very gelatinous so far. It definitely feels like coconut oil with like some little vanilla beans or something in here. Okay, be careful when you open it. It does squeeze out. Apply scrub in the small packet to dry lips. Massage gently to exfoliate. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with wet washcloth. Cool. Okay, so my lips are already dry. They've been dry for the past like week. And there's a lot in here. So you can probably like honestly, I only need about this much. I don't know if you guys could see that. But I literally just have like a little dab on my finger, and that's probably going to be enough for my lips. And then there's this huge packet. I feel like this is enough for like 10 days worth of lip scrubs. So I'm just gonna put this on. Gently massage. Okay, this definitely has a very strong coconut smell, but not like a super artificial one, like an actual real, like I took coconut oil out of a Trader Joe's jar. Like, it has like that exact scent. This definitely is one of those scrubs that has like sugar in it, which is good. I've tried some lip scrubs where, you know, of course you accidentally get them in your mouth, and they taste really like, I don't know, like chemically and stuff. This doesn't smell like that at all. Okay, sometimes when I'm lazy, I just rub my lips together. Let me rub this off. I've got my damp cloth right here. My wet washcloth. All right, let's look at the pucker so far. Looks like we got a lot of that dead flaky skin off, which is good. All right, now we're gonna jump to part 2, which is the Yes to Coconut Plumping Lip Mask, 1 paper lip mask. Okay, and I like the little photo because it looks like this girl has just like these huge lips. All right, and this, okay, they literally just put this in here. Oh, that's cute. Smells good. Kind of smells like my my conditioner that I have. Apply the lip mask to fit the curves of your lips. Leave on for 15 minutes for plumper, softer lips. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on just to kind of show you guys how to do it, and then I will be back. Actually, how do you even open this? Okay, there's a tab here. Okay, this thing is super slippery, and trying to open it is not exactly the most simple. Wow, okay, so they really put, okay. I'm really scared that I am just going to tear the mess out of this. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I'll be back in 15, I guess. Okay. All right, time's up. Okay, it says tingling. Yes, it's working. I didn't feel any tingling, so I don't know what happened there, but let's kind of zoom in a little bit. Do my lips look poutier? Yeah, a little bit. Do they feel moisturized? Yeah, I'd say so. They're a little bit sensitive from the first scrub, but for the most part, they feel really, really good. The product didn't irritate my skin, but my lips feel good. They don't feel greasy. The little lip mask, it was more of like it was very, very liquidy. It wasn't very thick or goopy or gel-like or oily of any kind. It just feels very, very light. It just feels like I have a very, very light balm on. But I just feel like it's absorbing into my lips, and my lips just feel nice. They feel balanced. They don't feel too oily. They don't feel dry. They're kind of like right in the middle, so that's good. So let's look at the stats on this. Oh, okay. So this kit right here, this two-step lip kit, this specific one for coconut is $3.99 at Target. So that's actually a really, really good price. And it's also $3.99 at Ulta Beauty. So I didn't know that they had it at Ulta. For those of you that have an Ulta near you, check that out. So this is pretty inexpensive if you're one of those people that finds that you have dry lips or dry skin kind of like year round. This is something that you could definitely have in your arsenal. This is something that you could buy, you know, in bulk, get 3, 4, 5 and kind of use them every month or every other month or something like that. Definitely if you're going to do a photo shoot, or if you're going to do anything where it's like portrait style, where it's the camera's very, very, very close up, and you just want to make sure that your lips are nice and prepped, you know, you have your sheet mask for your face, I think this would be another great option as well. So one thing that I did notice when I looked at the packaging is it is cruelty-free. So for those of you that really care a lot about that, this is a cruelty-free product. Step 1 is 99% natural. I was kind of looking at the ingredients, and there are a few little chemicals in here, like here or there, but for the most part, it's very, very natural. And then the lip plumping mask is 96% natural. I know for me, I love more natural products. I talk about a lot of those on my channel. And so stuff like this is super, super important to me. And I love the fact that not only is it mostly natural, but it's actually in almost everybody's price range. I definitely give it a thumbs up for that. Now, I will say, putting that little sheet mask on my lips is definitely, I would say it's innovative. I've never seen anything like that before, a sheet mask for my lips. But it was a little weird. So if you're one of those people that kind of breathes through your mouth a lot, if your nose is constantly clogged, I would just wait and use something like this, because you're gonna start to kind of like hyperventilate a little bit, worried about, you know, how you're gonna breathe. There is a little slit in the lip sheet mask so that you can breathe. But if you're somebody who kind of panics really easily about that kind of stuff, I don't know, try it out, see if it works for you. But other than that, if you have no issues breathing through your nose or whatever, this I think is a really, really great mask, especially for the price. I'd say it's a great purchase. I'd say it's something that you can definitely try out. And even if you don't like it, you don't feel like you invested too much, I've tried some of their other products before and they're actually pretty decent. So yeah, that's pretty much my review on it. If you guys have any questions, comment below. So thanks guys again for watching this Fresh Face Fridays. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll be back here again next week trying out some of the other stuff that I have in my goodie bags over there. So like this video if you want to see more. I've been posting more as usual. Make sure to do well and be well, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Yeah.